Hello, today I'm going to be making a zucchini quiche, and the first thing that you have to do is place 8 tablespoons of butter in your pan. Turn the heat on low and melt the butter. As the butter is melting, we're going to chop up zucchini and onion. As you're melting down the butter in your pan, we're going to slice up the zucchini. I have 6 small zucchini here, and I'm going to cut off the tops and bottoms. So what I'm going to do is, with each zucchini, cut off the top and bottom, discard that, cut the zucchini in half, and then just make thin slices. I'm going to try to keep my slices even in size so that it cooks evenly. Okay, and after I finish chopping, I'm going to place in my pan to start sauteing them. Also, at this point, you should preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So I'm going to keep chopping my zucchini, and then we're going to chop 2 small onions. Okay, all my zucchini have been chopped and they're in the pan. I'm just going to give them a little stir. The butter has melted, and as you can see, my large pan is completely filled. So what I want to do now is slice my onion, my 2 small onions. So we're going to add that to the pan as well. And I want to get the zucchini and onion softened, and then I will add my seasoning. seasonings have been added. So what you want to do at this point is saute your vegetables and just keep stirring them. And it will take a little while to saute these all down. As my vegetables are sauteing, I'm going to prep my pie dish. I have my pie dish and I'm using crescent rolls as the pie crust. So I'm going to cut apart the crescent rolls and form it to shape the pie pan. So as I continue to saute down these vegetables, as you can see they're starting to soften. I'm going to add in my seasoning, salt, and just eyeball it. Pepper, oregano, and parsley. A lot of parsley I'll use. Now I'm using dried parsley, but if you have fresh, you can certainly use fresh. I want to give it a good stir. As you can see, I've pressed the crescent roll into the pie pan, and what you want to do is just seal up the little seams on the crescent rolls. So, okay, I was just having a little trouble with my mustard. It was the end of the bottle. So I want to take my spicy brown mustard and I just want to do a light little coating on the very bottom of the pie crust. And just spread that out nicely. So probably a tablespoon full of mustard. You don't want to put too much on, just along the bottom. Okay, great. All right, these vegetables are sauteed down enough. What I'm going to do is just remove this from the heat, and when it's cooled a little bit, I will add 2 beaten eggs to it and 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Okay, I turned off my pan, and I'm going to add in 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to give that a good stir. Beautiful. And I beat 2 eggs, so I'm going to add that in. And I'm going to give that a stir as well. And then, excuse me, I am going to add this to my pie dish. Okay, looks beautiful. All right, it's ready to go in the pie dish. Okay, that's my prepared pie dish with the crescent rolls and the mustard coated on the bottom. I'm going to pour this all in. Just scraping everything off the pan. And I'm going to even it out. Looks beautiful. Going to place this into my oven right now. That's been preheated to 375 degrees, and bake it for an hour. See you then. It's been an hour. The zucchini just came out of the oven, and as you can see, it's gorgeous. Hope you enjoy. Just wanted to show you, cut the zucchini quiche, and this is what it looks like. Gorgeous. Enjoy.